Today we have a problem from the AMC10A of 2019. We want to find what is the least possible value of x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 4 plus 2019, where x is a real number. They are asking what x is. You want to find the least possible, the lowest value of this equation right here. The first thing that comes to my mind when these problems, we just have to this is basically reverse factoring. So what I do is multiply these two end ones and these two middle ones. So x plus 1 times x plus 4, we can just write that as, since we can just use equations, x squared plus 5x plus 4. That is x plus 1 times x plus 4. Now x plus 2 times x plus 3 is x squared plus 5x plus 6. We did that to get the closest values, plus 2019. Now we have basically the same values in these parentheses except for these last numbers. So we use the middle number technique to solve. The middle number of 4 and 6 is 5, so we can write it as x squared plus 5x plus 5 minus 1, since that is 4, times x squared plus 5x plus 5 plus, plus 1, so because that is 6 plus 2019. We now see that in these parentheses is, in fact, the a plus b times a minus b equation. So we can actually rewrite this again as x squared plus 5x plus 5 squared minus 1 squared, that's just 1, plus 2019. Negative 1 plus 2019 is 2018, so let's just write that. X squared plus 5x plus 5 squared plus 2018. Now the lowest possible value here, where x is a real number, is going to be when this term is equal to 0, because it can't be a negative since it's a square. If it's 0, then the answer is 2018, but if it isn't, then it's not 2018. We just have to prove if x squared plus 5x plus 5 is 0. Since the 0 squared is still 0, that means the square root of 0 is still 0, so x squared plus 5x plus 5 is 0. We just need to find if the delta is positive, so let's do that. So x is equal to negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 minus 20. That's according to the quadratic formula. That's over 2. So x is equal to negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 5 over 2. Now we realize that in our answer for x, the delta is greater than 0. So therefore, x is a real number. It is a real number. So then that means that this is equal to 0. So our answer is 2018.